Hi everyone, it's Jack here for another fan video. And today we have a video in my new shed. And this is going to be a video of my new to me 1980s Union top mount spinner. This one's actually labeled by Lytron. I got this thing on Facebook Marketplace for about $10. And I absolutely love this fan. It's cast iron, the motor is freaking huge, and we're going to start it on the lowest speed, on the variable speed control. It's a little loud, but it doesn't matter. Crank it up a little bit. A little bit more. Even more. Let's go to high. This thing freaking flies and puts out a ton of air. Let's go get a side shot of this fan. This thing's insane. Thanks for watching.